Hey, this is a quick message for all you woodworkers, whether you are a wood turner or not. At the end of August is SWAT in Waco, Texas. That's the Southwest Area Turners Association. That is probably one of the least expensive, best educational symposiums I know of. Even if you aren't a wood turner, because probably a good third of it is all about finishing, different techniques for doing surface treatments, all that kind of stuff. Plus, you have an entire vendors area that are selling a lot more tools than just turning tools. And there is the instant gallery, my favorite part. You can get so much inspiration just going through there and looking at some of the greatest woodworking artists in this part of the country and really around the world that just kind of show off there. So cool to look at, and you will gain ideas for all your different woodworking styles. Again, it's at the end of August. It's in Waco, Texas. It is a free event if all you want to do is go in and look through the instant gallery and visit the vendor area. But if you want to stick around for the 3 days and go through all the courses, classes, participate in the various events, they even have free turning demonstration down below for the kids if you want to turn a pen, all that kind of stuff. It is just a few $100 for all 3 days, which includes some really good meals. Again, I think it is one of the greatest values in education you can find out there in the wood turning realm. And if you're just a woodworker, you will get a lot of inspiration from it. Down in the links below in the description, I will put my coverage of the event in past years. Now, I am not 100% sure I'll be able to make it this year. I'm leaving this area. This area I'm at now is about a 2.5 hour commute, 2.5, 3 hour commute to Waco. So I used to leave early in the morning and film those videos for y'all and come back very late at night. I am now about 6 hours away, so I can't do that daily commute, and it costs money to stay at the hotels in that area. That's where the big expense of it is. If you're staying for multiple days, you want to stay in a hotel. But I have a wild inkling that I just might take off 2 weeks at the end of August and going to another event up in Iowa. I just might load up my motorcycle and go free camping all the way up across the country, sticking in Waco for a few days to make y'all a video. Y'all, if that sounds of interest to you, leave a comment down below. Anyways, go to Waco this year. I'll put a link down in the description to their website where you can make your reservations and buy tickets if you want to.